If a dog is charging at you and you run towards it, what would be the dog's reaction? I once had a Doberman who was almost 3/4 my height charge at me while I was walking. I knew I couldn't outrun the dog, so I started charging towards it. The dog all of a sudden came to a screeching halt and just stood growling. I then stopped also, and stood growling back. After about 15 seconds or so, the dog, still growling, turned around and started walking back from the way it came. I waited for a few moments and then turned and went on my way walking. I did this because my mom had previously told me that vicious dogs can sense fear in a human, but will have a whole different attitude once they know you're not afraid. I actually was fearful but didn't show it.